So y'all, as an educational purpose, there's 1,000 fucking ways to do this. I don't give a goddamn what you gotta say. Alright, cut this shit. Turn off your water off to your property. Cut that sucker off. This is for my irrigation. But oh shit! Oh son. This is the side that feeds the valve for my irrigation, so you gotta turn it off at the straight at your meter box or any valve that turns off the irrigation side. Anyway, so thinking about it, I think there's a ball valve here. Check it out. See if this shit works there. Never fucking work it. Damn, got that sucker off. Try to keep your hands clean. Use a little spray bottle. Yeah, just like that. Damn. Alright, guys. You guys gotta remake that shit. Use one of these right here. Get down in there and just ring it. The outside, the inside. And this just helps with turbulence. So when your sprinklers are running water and the water's flowing through it, the turbulence doesn't wear out on your fittings and your pipe. Let's say you get leaks, lines burst, because the turbulence eats it away. Just like that. If you want, you just go ahead and get like a little sandpaper. Little sandpaper, one of these little sandpapers right here. Bam. Little sandpaper to clean up the pipe right here. And it just helps that the glue get clean the pipe, actual contact with the pipe. You don't want all this like extra dirt being mixed with the glue, because it leaves little weak points, those little spaces that the water can end up passing through, and that's how you have other leaks. So you just want the glue, the pipe, then the primer, only mixing together. Don't want no dirt and stuff, but you know, it's kind of hard to keep the dirt out. Just like that. Clean up your pipes, guys. That's kind of for people who are just learning how to do their own plumbing. These videos are gonna be long, just so you can watch the whole process from start to finish. Makes sense. Don't skip anything. Long videos, but it's all there, all the information you need. Okay. Are you bench watchers? Bench watch on this, Sonny. Alright. Yeah, now it's gonna come off all the way. You can use a little knife right here. Get the little extra stuff right there. Don't go too hard. It's nice, smooth on top. Nothing crazy. It's nice and soft on top. Get the little excess off that the sandpaper couldn't get off. Bam. Kind of put your finger in there like that. You know, get the water that's inside. Bam. Just like that, honey. Have fun. Bam. If you have like a little dry paper, try drying off the pipe. Helps out. Alright, fuck, this is a little complicated because I gotta replicate this right here. Bam. So this is gonna be a fun one. But ain't nothing I can do. So what I'm gonna do is have a little bit of fun. I'm gonna fucking glue this teeth out here right off the bat. Make my way down. Or I could just go like this, look you guys. Bam. Do something like that. Screw this sucker. I could even go a little down so I could get my fucking 90 over here and glue it in. It's all a puzzle at the end of the day. Bam. I think I'll just do that instead. Ah, shit. Someone opened up the line. Most likely flushed the line, opened up a fixture inside the house, so water came out again. They just realized they ain't got no fucking water, because they turned off the water. Yep, that's how it goes. Whoop-de-doo, water's off. And then, probably put it up here too. Damn. Make it work like that. Ooh, got some leeway. Hell yeah, that's what I like. Love that leeway. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my tee right over here, and then you get a level. Makes everything straight, so you won't have some weird angles. Alright, I like using these glues right here. You guys probably wondering what kind of glue I'm using. You wanna use that commercial grade on your house. It just lasts a lot longer. Bam. Alright, let's prime them up, sonny. Get the excess water out of there. Prime them up. You want to see that shit dark and purple. You gotta give it like another coating. You want real fucking connections. Make that shit dark. What primer does, it cleans up the pipe. So when the glue has contact and the primer, it actually creates a chemical bond and melts the pipe. And then you get one seal. So if you do this right here, it should hold. I think the primer is like the most important part out of the whole process. There you go. Prime that baby up, give it another coating. I like that shit dark, sonny, you feel me? Oh, nice and dark. Looks like candy. There we go. Don't be scared. Put that on there, sonny. The darker the better. Y'all heard that before? There we go. Give it a nice coating. I'll clean off whatever's on there. Or the sandpaper, your little butter knife didn't get. This shit cleans it off. Bam, just like that. Alright. Then you got your fittings. Apply. Bam. Apply again. Apply again. Apply again. Try to stay clean, guys. Don't get all dirty and shit. I want to wear some latex gloves for y'all beginners. There we go. There's a whole fucking debate about putting the fucking glue in here, and then you put your glue on the pipe, fitting and then pipe. Motherfucker, I don't give a damn. Like, I'm gonna do it backwards, and this shit's still gonna hold. Bam. And then put it in the fitting. You don't have to put a whole lot. And then once you put it in, you're gonna want to hold it for 30 seconds. And at the same time, you're gonna want to make sure this shit is leveled. God damn it, it's not level. Okay, there we go. And roll it out, make sure it's straight. You don't want some fucking weird angles. Hold it for like 30 seconds. A lot of people don't do that, I just do. What ends up happening if you let go too quick, the fitting's gonna slide out. Just hold it for 30 seconds. And I know I'm not gonna hold it for 30 seconds, maybe like 20 seconds, 15 seconds. And it just helps keeping the fitting from sliding out. All right, woo, did it, motherfuckers. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this one onto here, or we could just bring this one over here. Whatever the fuck you want to do. I'm gonna choose this one, come over here, 90 it, and drop that bitch down because we got that slack, you feel? Alright. Or I could bring it from here to there, it doesn't fucking matter. Here we go. Put a little bit of primer on there, y'all. Like that. Yeah, I was gonna do a time lapse, but fuck that, you can't even hear me. What the fuck's up with that shit? Bam. Now we gotta cut a fitting that goes over here with the 90, another 90, drop down, Sonny, just like that. So we gotta measure, use your imagination. Boom, that looks about right there. If I measure wrong, you know, I just cut it out, buy some more fittings. Oh shit, where's my tape measure? Damn, y'all. I got my fucking tape measure. God damn it. Alright, let's make our way to the truck. Everybody's like, turn on the fucking water. I can't. Let's go get that tape measure. Oh yeah, we're out here in California, so you know life's good out here. In the desert. Oof. What is that? Yeah. I got no goddamn tape measure. I have to fucking eyeball that shit. So you're not even a real fucking plumber. Gotta eyeball shit, cuzzo. Moral of the story: always have more than one tape measure. Oh, here's one. Ha! Found it. But one little tiny one. It's probably like a 12 feet one. Or 6 feet. Who fucking knows, but that's all you need, Sonny. Alright. Shit. Well, can we see what I'm doing here, guys? Can we fucking see what I'm doing here? Yeah, leave a comment down there. Shit's cracking. Okay. Alright, so eyeball this shit. Looks like I'll be fine with fucking what? I like to measure from this edge to this edge right here. Yeah, I think I might be fine with 2 inches and 2 inches and what? 3 inches? Ah, shit. A solid number. So I'll measure from this edge to this edge right over here, just like that, edge to edge. Let me give you guys a good example. This edge right here to this edge right here. Boom, boom. What I said, 3. Damn, brother. Got the pipe. Ugh. For the last trip I'll do to the truck, you guys. Alright. Y'all think I'm handsome, good looking? Y'all put that in the comments. Let's see. Sound good again? Pipe. A little bit for that come for again. Pipe, Leo, 3/4. Pipe right here. Boom, look at that. Hell yeah. Got a big old tree in my front yard, guys, and a big ass palm tree. Everybody, yeah, shake your body, yeah. Olis, Olis, Olis. Adentro. ¿Qué onda? It's a tripod. Recording myself, I'm gonna get famous.
¿Se mira?
No. The fuck? Okay.
What are you doing?
The line burst for the feed for the irrigation, so I turn off the water to the house. Alright, so gotta cut 3 inches, y'all. Bam, just like that, fool. Remember, ream that inside, outside, both ends. Bam. And the way you can double check is grabbing your fitting again, putting it right here at this edge, and then putting it at this edge right here. And then it'll give you a rough idea if you're gonna be off or not. It looks about right to me. Damn. Not too shabby, guys. Pretty good. Probably cut a little less. Just a bit. Just a little less. No, I think I'll be fine. Yeah, I think I'll be fine. Alright. So what we're gonna do again, we're gonna prime it up. Remember, the darker the better. I don't know if you guys can see my dog. His name's Taquito. Look around, find out. Alright. Nice dark.
Inside section?
Yeah, he should be inside. He's my camera guy.
Who?
Isaac.
Oh.
But he's fucking busy. So can't record me right now. Look, I'm on a tripod as my camera guy right now. Bam. Just like that, Sonny. See a dark ass layer. So you want nice and dark. I'm gonna put your glue on there. Once your primer starts losing color, Brody, throw it away, guys. Throw it away. Bam. Just like that. Well, I turn off the water because the line burst down here. Yeah, so no water for probably an hour. Bam, guys. Sick, dude.
Oh shit.
No fucking water, man.
So no shitting for the next hour?
Huh?
No shitting for the next hour?
No, yeah, you can shit. You can shit. Just fucking, you have another flush.
Oh, damn.
One more flush, yeah.
Well, I just want pee, so we're fucked. Can't go shit.
Fucking Isaac doesn't know how to be resourceful. Alright. Joe got here and he turned on the fixtures too. He's like, no fucking water.
Swear.
This fucking plumber can't do shit in half an hour.
Here.
What takes him goddamn 3 hours to do a 1 hour job? And he doesn't even do plumbing.
What is that?
This right here,
Mm-hmm.
it's a chemical that goes with the glue and it melts the pipe.
Oh shit.
So it fuses together and it can hold over like 120 pounds. Probably even more, but that's usually how we do it out here in the valley, because most of the areas are 120 pounds.
Oh, damn.
So we'll do this. Just like that. Match that bitch up. How far was I off? Oh, not that bad. Pretty good. Put that level on there again. Bam. I got fucking the tripod recording me right now.
I was just looking at that.
Yeah, I'm gonna be famous.
Hell yeah.
Because I'm handsome as fuck too. Handsome ass plumber. You know how many times I go to a corner store and it'd be like a Vietnamese store and they'll be like, hey handsome.
Stop.
I'm like, y'all better stop, cause you're gonna get me all hyped up over here. And it's gonna be hard for me to come
Find out
back.
who I really am.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard for me to come back down. Hype me up. It's gonna be hard for me to come down from that cloud. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We'll get too hyped. We'll level everything out. Because it's plumbed. Inside joke. Look at that slack right there, Sonny. Alright, what we're gonna do now? We're gonna do another 90. All these 90s are gonna slow down my water pressure. I ain't trying to be, can't see it. Oh, damn. That's it, Sonny. Oh, and a cup, lady. Make a cup a little shorter so I can use a cup in here. Oh. Man, yeah, cut a little lower. So I can use a cup in down there. What in the motherfucking world? There we go. All my exes live in Texas. There we go. Let's go ahead and rim that shit up again. Y'all wanna see my dog? So what's up, Taquito? Kicked your ass inside, but your mom came and brought you out here. Here's a little orange ball. Wanna play with me? All you wanna do is play, huh, Taquito? That's your job. Play, play, play. Don't sound too bad, huh? Alrighty. Back with business. Y'all already know what I'm doing right here. Taking all that little excess water out. Bam. Prime it up again. Damn, what's all that water coming out? God damn it. Maybe the pinky won't cause so much suction. There we go. Try it off with my dry hand. Prime it up, clean it up. You know how we do. Nobody will scrub. God damn, brother, what's up with all this fucking water coming out? Damn. I'll show you guys a little trick. I'll grab like paper or so, shove it in there. Keep all that fucking water from coming out. I like using this right here. Bam. Shove it in there. Whew. Did it. Ooh, let the dogs out. Who?
Oh, sir, get inside. Get that.
Turn off the water? Yes, sir. Why, is there a problem? No, sir. What's wrong? It burst. We've been having a water leak out here. Probably that's why we had a high-ass water bill. It's been just sprayed. I always notice a puddle here. I was like, what the fuck is that? Pay attention when you see a little puddle out here in your guys' fucking yard. There might be a leak. Damn, I wasn't even thick enough. Yep. Yep. You want it? You can have it, girl.
Oh, wow. I'm lost.
Yes. Yes. Magie. There we go. Just like that. Yup. I'll show you later. Unless you find them. Get all nice and purple. Y'all already know how I feel about that. Make it all nice and dark. Oh, this is my school right here. This is my educational school for you guys. Free classes, dog. Free ass classes. Yeah, they're all lengthy, but you wanna learn? Or what? Learn the long way. The boring way. That's life, y'all. It's boring sometimes. Okay. Damn. Alright, we're gonna get that length right here. Boom. Oh, guys, got a secret. I'm gonna show you guys right now. A little secret I do. Call it the excess, big dog, the excess. So what I like to do is cut a little bit of extra pipe. Boom. Maybe like that much. Boom. Alright, guys. This is how you usually do it when I don't have a tape measure. Because your boy Don lost his last tape measure. And everyone's go get a tape measure. So it's on his instincts. Survival instincts. You guys gotta clean that up. Real plumbers do this. They don't ever put nothing in without reading it. Purple it up, y'all. Oh, got a little of that purple, but I don't like that purple. That clear purple, I don't like it. I don't know if it went all the way in. So kind of works as a marking. The color purple. You see how much I'm going in? That's usually the depth of the fitting. So you know you went in all the way. Gives it a good idea. So you're like, Dad, did I go in all the way or not? And then you're over here pushing it and it's already in. You're here freaking out. So that kind of saves you that type of experience, you know, that type of thoughts. Okay. Let's go this baby in there. Purple and blue, guys. Those colors right there is the feature. Bam. Just forgot to put some bit of glue in there. What? Maybe because he has a tumor in his head? Does that make any sense?
That's not funny.
Does that make any sense? Huh, Ninette? Does that make any sense? Yo, why? Why? Do you want the truth or not? Now you're all like, okay. I guess I won't ask again. Oh, dude, it fucking slipped out. That's why you hold it for 30 seconds, guys. Got this right there. Oh, good thing I saw that. That's what helps when marking it with the primer. It lets you know if it slides out as well. Whew. You're wondering why you're off by a fucking 1/8 or 1/16. 1/16, guys. It fucking matters. Every inch matters. So I've been told. Okay. So you guys will see what I'm talking about, the X right now. A little bit. Got a cup in right here. Gonna glue this bitch on here. Can this go over it? It's got this fucking goddamn glue in here. Heard you talking shit, Isaac. Boy, I have too much fun doing this right here. What did the doctor tell you when you went? Huh? Didn't you go to the doctor like last week?
The ER?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
What did he say?
I need to see my doctor
Why?
because I have things growing at that moment.
What's it called? A fucking tumor or what?
I'm not sure that's what my doctor.
Does it matter when it's got tumors in her head? I think she does, fool. That's what they said last time. That's the last I heard. She got tumors there. Right? Everybody, yeah, shake your body, yeah. Damn, taquito, back up, bruh. Need some space. Open my beeswax, cuzzo. Probably hear us breathing too. Bruh, back up. He's trying to do plumbing with his paws. We all know you can't do plumbing with paws. You need these right here. Need some monkey hands. You ain't got no monkey hands, you ain't gonna do plumbing, okay? You might get away with some raccoon hands. Boom, there we go, guys. Look at that shit right there, cuz bam. What you know about that? What you know about that? Then you get your tape measure again, guys. Boy, this is a lengthy, boring ass video. I don't know who the fuck's gonna watch this. Either you want to measure half of that fitting all the way to the bottom of that fitting. That looks like it's let's see what we got here. Bam. Looks like that's 2 inches and a quarter. Oh no, 3 inches. Damn, but I'm a badass. What's up with these threes? Get off my pipe. What the? Get it there. Boy out here doing plumbing videos. What you know about that, huh, Taquito? I'm making some plumbing videos, big dog. What you know about that? What's up with this? What you know about making plumbing videos, Taquito? You ain't know nothing, dog. None. Catching balls with your mouth.
Here, me.
You guys shaking off?
Here.
Y'all have fun. Remember guys, you guys ain't having. Who? Bubby's always fucking out here. Are you talking about right now? I haven't seen Bubby out here.
He was fucking out here.
That fool's hella sneaky, dog. What the fuck? You see me doing plumbing out here, dog?
But get inside. Well, no one else let him out, fool.
Fool, that fool lets himself out. He lets himself out.
Oh, okay, yeah, he just lets him fucking himself out, right?
He's known for that.
Walks right on there.
Dude, you know he's known for that. You know he's known for that. Nigga got talent. Special abilities. Saw that little 3/4 turn. 3/4 turn, okay? That's what the fucking instructions say on the glue. Okay, 3/4. I like to do a little 3/4 to the right, and a little 3/4 to the left, then a whole 3/60, so that I do shithole still. Okay. Put a little sass on that. That shit, I didn't want that flipping. Oh, look at that. Perfect fucking. Oh, goddamn, good at this. Alright, so what you do now, mark it right here where they meet. Right on this edge right here. And that's how you get your length. From this pipe, your 90's gonna go. Right here. Beautiful people. See my finger? You just gotta mark it and cut. Give you a good ass example. Boom, right there. See, I put my blade up against the. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that shit, cuz boom, perfect. That's how you get your goddamn 90 on there. See what I'm talking about? Your goddamn 90, that's how it goes. Right there, dude. Yeah, these videos are gonna be rated R. It's not for fucking kids, for grown ass fucking people. I waited fucking 18 years for this shit, you feel me? I waited fucking 18 years to start fucking talking like this. Grown ass adult. Fucking legally able to kill. Now we're assigning to the military. They'll send me to another fucking foreign country to kill. In the name of the United States of America. Feel me? Born in the USA. Sent to a foreign land to kill an enemy. 18, you feel me? 18. Okay, so this is only for fucking 18 and plus. 18 and older. You don't like it? Oh, that's too damn bad. Okay, I got distracted. I forgot I was doing plumbing, dude. Shit took a gnarly ass turn. Alright, guys. Back to plumbing. Damn, dark as fuck, guys. Just grab that fitting. Watch the magic happen, guys. Boom. Boom, just like that. Back and forth. Make it purple. Dark as fuck. Boom. Boom. People love me out here. Boom. Boom. Dude, everybody's plumbing. Boom. 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 Just like that. Oh, try not to spill the container, especially if you're your last one. You want to fucking press that shit down into the ground, bury it halfway. A little bit of love right there, a little bit of love right there, a little bit of love right there. See that shit, cuz right here, and put it back in the can. It's enough fucking glue, okay? First of all, it's enough fucking glue. Ain't gonna use it all. Boom, just like that. Cause then you slide this one on there too. Boom. Saw that? All the way in. See that? All the way fucking in. I didn't see no goddamn purple. No goddamn purple down here. Showing all the way in. So I love using primer. Motherfuckers out here trying to use that clear shit. Dirty motherfuckers. Learn how to use goddamn. Learn how to be goddamn clean with primer. Okay? Takes time. Dedication. But you all know about that. You don't know me, son. You don't know me, son. Who's gonna carry the primer? Who's gonna carry the glue? Oh boy. That's probably why I don't make videos. You guys ain't ready for me. Okay, that should go. Now I gotta bring this one over. What the fuck? Dude, that shit look straight to you. God damn, that shit got slope on it. We'll see how it goes. Alright, we're gonna bring it over here, and then right here. So when you make long ass piping, guys, you get some leeway. It gets all flexible, so I'll be able to shove it in there. Okay. Smells like a fire out here. Smell that, bro? Okay. Now we're gonna prime this up right here. Oh, damn. My dog's over here choking and shit. Okay. What to think though? We're gonna get a long ass pipe right here. Okay. A long ass one. So I like to measure my fingers right there. And then like over here. So I'll do the same thing over here. Bam. And then a little something over here. Just like that. That's how we do it. Here's gonna hate. It is what it is, man. Just like that. Bam. Then I'll swing it over here. Bam. Chop that bitch down right there. Cause what you know about that? What you know about that? What you know about that? Bam. See that? Just like that. Cause clean that shit up like you fucking put some goddamn pepper. You see that? So you want it up there. You want some seasoning? There's your goddamn seasoning right there. Alright, do that again. Bam. 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 Dark as fuck, sonny. Dark as fuck, sonny. Yeah, if I drink a beer now. What you know about that? Okay, let's put a little bit of glue. Can. Remember guys, they make fucking, just make you guys aware, they do make clear glue and clear primer. But your boy need colors because gives them a good reminder if you went in all the way in or all the way out. There we go, see that? Bam. Pretty good. Not too shabby, guys. Hold that shit, cuz on for like 30 seconds. Bam, see how long that is, cuz on? See how long that is? Gosh. And then we measure from here to this edge to the inside of this edge. And that's how you know your length from those two 90s that you're gonna have here going across. And your other 90 that's gonna go here to glue it. So let me give you guys a good example. Yeah, see that length right there? I'm a badass. But we're gonna get the tape measure. Edge to edge. Hair's gonna hate, it is what it is. Hey, my first fucking plumbing video. 6 5/8. You guys remember that? 6 5/8. What was that? 6 5/8. There you go. So, cut that shit just like that. Your little fucking cutter. Doesn't matter if it's fucking husky or not. As long as it cuts, does the job, guys. There. There you go. You guys want you guys' seasoning? You want your salt and pepper? There you go. There you go. You see that shit? That's how you know you're reaming it real good. You get all that salt and pepper out of there. Both sides. Bam. There, see that? That's a real fucking reamer right there. Then you put it to edge right there. Flat, flat. And that's how you know your length is good. And that's where you're gonna cut, guys, right there. But we're gonna cut right there, cause right there, cause you're gonna cut that right there. Bam. No fucking tape measure, guys. So you're a badass fucking plumber. Sí. Creo que fue la mañana.
You gave her?
No, lo que le sobró ayer. Probably want to feed them later on.
Huh?
I don't think you want to feed them right now.
Why?
Because I'm going to take them for a run later.
Right now? Or like in an hour?
Probably like in more than an hour, probably. Okay. There you go. See that shit, guys? Damn. Badass. A badass. A badass. A badass. Perfect fucking cut. Now read that shit, cuzzo. Read that shit, cuzzo. Now get you guys in 90s. Bam. Bam, right there. Just like that. Boom. Obviously, it's gonna go, whoa, way the fuck over here. Oh shit, so they don't look right. So they don't look right, guys. Oh. The fuck's going on here? Oh, I see what I did. I fucked up. It's supposed to be like this. Like that, cause of, whoops. Oh gosh, there we go. Damn, you guys didn't say nothing? Don't let me fuck up like that. Not cool, guys. Haters always want to see me fucking up. But not today, fool. There we go. Boom. On it. Season that up again. Now catch me slipping. There we go. Boom. Bring that shit out, cousin. Butter it up. Bam, just like that. Ooh, love that color. Love that shit. Damn, bro, it's almost been an hour. 47 minutes. There we go. There we go. No but you going. Damn. Love that shit. Just fucking recolor that shit a little touch up right there. Do that again. Oh, you love that right there. Oh, you love that right there. Alright, since we already got our length right here. Right there. See that right there? Oof. Looks a little too long. No, I think we good. Yeah, I think we good. Alright, let's glue that in. Prime it up again. Bam, just like that. There we go, just like that. Bam, 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 hit that. Bam, bam, bam. Couple more turns for over here, coupling. Bam. Remember, gotta be dark, see? Everybody loves that dark purple. Come on, man, you ain't got a lot to kick it. Bam. Please. So I'll get that one in there. So you want that should go in there real good. Bam. Sonny. Bam, hold that shit. Remember 30 seconds, y'all. Don't want that shit sliding out on you. ¿Dónde? Yeah. Sí. Okay. You guys are gonna see something fucking amazing right now. You guys remember my name. Remember my fucking name. See this shit, guys? I'll put it like that. Boom. Once I have this sucker in there, I'm gonna glue this in like that. Gonna glue this motherfucker like that. Remember my fucking name. Alright, guys. Best fucking plumber you guys ever goddamn in your guys' life. Oh. Boom, like that. Work the magic, guys. Work the magic. The magic's already there. Just gotta work it. Boom. Boom. Remember, I gotta be dark as fuck. Boom. 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 Hit it up again. Let's go off right here again. Oof. Love that. Love that dark color. Me and that dark color get along. We get along, guys. We know how to work it. With that dark color. Oof, yeah. Love that shit right there. Okay. Now we're gonna get the glue. Don't get nervous on me, y'all. Don't get nervous on me. Usually people get a little nervous on me right here. They start freaking out. I haven't freaked out since I was like 12 years old. This is probably the last time I freaked out. So bear with me. Don't freak out on me. Alright. And that's how we get it done, son. Oh yeah. So that's how you know you go deep enough when you do your purple. Your coloring purple. The edges as a marker. Same way, you know when you go all the way in. So you gotta fucking like over here start pushing excessively when you're already all the way in. Boom, that's how the magic happens, guys. And then you gotta get like, depending on temperature, if it's really, really hot outside, you could probably get away with 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Can says 30 minutes. When it's colder outside, you might want to go for like 45 minutes. Generally, everybody does 30 minutes and it holds. Me, though, nothing has ever fucking leaked on me. And nothing ever fucking got separated on me. Because I'll fucking give it some time, okay? I know my pipes go all the way in. I know my pipe is clean because I use Hello Primer. Got purple on it. Okay, it's hella clean. And I hold each fitting for like 30 seconds or close to 30 seconds. So it ain't fucking sliding out on me like you seen earlier over here. Okay, hold on to that shit. And then that's it, we're all done. Just gotta give it 30 minutes and we'll be set. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes. Hey Siri. Guess it don't fucking do it when it's recording. Alright guys, I'll let you know in 30 minutes if this shit held. Peace.